Global Rise family, make una listen well. For the past 3 days, I've been working day and night to clear one serious misunderstanding about Pi Network, Bitget deposit, and the long argument one tough guy dropped under my video. Today, I'm giving you the complete fact-based explanation with official proofs on the screen. Just stay with me to the end. I know many of you have been waiting for these updates. There is no doubt about it. It took me time because I didn't want to talk from speculation. I need to verify the information, complete the real announcements, and prepare proof evidence so that nobody will confuse you again. Now, one commenter, the tough guy, dropped long messages challenging everything explained about Pi on Bitget. Well, he claimed the exchange Pi is real, that Pi core team did KYB for exchanges, and that the prices you see on exchanges were the true Pi prices before mainnet. My people, this video is to break everything down clearly with official proof displayed on your screen. First proof, Pi Network themselves announced that any exchange listing Pi before open mainnet is unauthorized. This you can confirm yourself, meaning the Pi trading outside the ecosystem is not coming from the real Pi mainnet. This is not my opinion. It is in the official publication. Second proof, Pi Network explained that during enclosed mainnet, the mainnet is behind a firewall. A firewall, get that point. So no exchange has access. If an exchange cannot connect to the mainnet, then the Pi trading there cannot be the same as the one in your Pi wallet. Third proof, Bitget suspended Pi deposits. If the Pi they listed was the official one, they would not suspend deposits. Exchanges only suspend when something is not fully validated. The fourth proof, Bitget also suspended Pi withdrawals at another time. This shows the ecosystem wasn't officially connected to the Pi network or Pi blockchain. Now, let me break down the difference in the simplest way. The Pi in your wallet, that one is the real mainnet Pi. It is the one you mined, verified, and saved during migration. Get that point clear? And because of the firewall, it cannot leave the Pi wallet yet. It cannot. That is how Pi core team designed it. What you see trading on exchanges like Bitget is not that same Pi that you mine. It is an IOU, an IOU Pi. IOU Pi, meaning the exchange is trading the future value or expected value of Pi, not the actual mainnet token. All of this you can confirm. Go and make your researches. Exchanges do this often. It is a shadow market. That's what they call it, shadow market. They create a temporary version so people can speculate and trade. But the Pi protocol is not connected to that market yet. Now, let me talk about my own experience because many of you saw the screenshots. Yes, I deposited Pi to Bitget that period. I sold it and converted it to USDT. But hear me clearly. That deposit address was not connected to the real mainnet Pi blockchain. It was a temporary on-ramp method Bitget used that was later suspended because it was not officially approved by Pi core team. That is why the feature later disappeared. So let me summarize everything in one straight line. The Pi in your wallet is real mainnet Pi. The Pi on exchanges is IOU Pi. They are not the same. No exchange has access to mainnet yet. Even Bitget has suspended Pi transfers multiple times because the system is not officially linked. My mission is clarity, not confusion. The Pi movement is still strong, but we must understand it properly. If you appreciate this level of explanation, please follow me and stay updated. Before you go, hit subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Global Rise Network. I am the Resilient Trader. I give real updates, real explanations, and real truth that will help your financial journey. Let us grow together as a resilient family.